So we're going to look up Gumtree now then?
Yeah, let's get on these choppers. Oh, thank fuck that's over. Do you know what it's like when you get peer pressured into riding a chopper after you've had a couple of beers with a mate? Well, now you do. Because we're going to get Burger riding an ironhead chopper. Give it a go. I'm glad the dog's been let out. Thank fuck that's over. What do you reckon, Burger?
Nice.
You get one?
I love it how you got a teardrop.
I know. He's
Made me cry.
He's got that teardrop tattoo right there.
On the way.
What is that? Is that some oil off the bike?
That's what it was. Yeah, nice.
Couldn't work out how to start them off. Fuck off.
So are we going to look up the gum train now then?
Yeah, let's get on those choppers.